Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Tuesday, the 5th of May. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. All right, we're sponsored by Volante Farms. Volante Farms in Needham for all your garden needs. And don't forget, guys, it is Mother's Day this weekend. So head over to Volante's. They've got some great plants for mom, including some shrubs and trees that would flower this time of the year. One of the things I always say is, yeah, you can get a bouquet of flowers, but why not get something that's going to flower right now so she'll remember it every single year when it's in bloom? That's one of the ideal things to do. So some of the rhodies, the azaleas, some of the small trees that are in flower right now would be just perfect. Flowers are going to get blown around for today. We've got lots of wind, a wind advisory along the coastline. Now, that's less than a high wind warning, but winds could gust to 50 miles an hour in open areas, especially along the coastline, between noontime and 10 p.m. this evening. So it does look like it's going to be quite warm as well. Temperatures this afternoon between 78 and 83 degrees with that southwesterly breeze just really kicking things around. The pollen will be high because of the wind and the dry weather we have had. So even though we had some rain over the weekend, and I know for some of you it just seemed like it was raining all the time, there's just not. We just haven't had that much rain. We need rain. It's really dry. And yeah, that just wasn't a lot. And with the canopy coming out, it gets harder and harder for that rain to get down to the forest floor as well. Temperatures tonight near 60 degrees most of the night, falling to the 50s late at night. And then as we head for tomorrow, it's going to cloud up. Most of the showers hold off till after 4 or 5 o'clock. Temperatures tomorrow in the upper 60s to low 70s, maybe mid 70s if we got enough sunshine. And then we're going to have Wednesday night a little batch of showers moving through. Those showers will basically end before morning. On Thursday, there could be a lingering shower, but I think the day as a whole is going to be just partly sunny. Temperatures in the 60s, and right now, Friday and Saturday look nice. Do we get some showers on Sunday? I don't want to pull out the stops on Sunday yet. So let's just call it maybe a chance for showers, but right now we'll call it partly to mostly cloudy skies. Have a great day, everybody.